You see what that battle did, especially for Cindy, is it reminded people of her talent, her greatness. Abasajja mulabirira abaana. Abasajja mulabirira abaana bammwe. Oli otya?
Obulabula tetukutegeera olumu.
Mbeerayo munnange. Mbeerayo nga nsirise. Mmanyi nze nsirika nnyo. Sisirika nti sisinyumya n'abantu naye nsirika mu public. Nenzija when I have to say something.
How far with our album?
Enaatera okuggwa. Oh, finally. Eruddewoko. Naye enaatera kati. Tuli mu finishing touches. I know. No, it was even over last year. Yeah, but some things changed. Obimanyi mukola oluusi n'olya nga waliwo kyagala okyusa oba kyagala okugyamu completely. Music is unpredictable. Oyinza oyingira mu studio ng'olina vibe gy'owulira ate ne mumala okukola n'olya nga vibe oba tevuddeyo. It's but you know the thing with me, bwe mba nkola saagala ku papa sati nkola ekintu ekirungi, and with music you have to give it time until you're satisfied. Nti kyogenda okuwa abantu bajja kyagala.
So should we sleep sure nti guno omwaka nga tegunaggwako otusulamu album oba one of the singles ku album?
Bwensuubira. Ontadde ku gundi. Why are you making me promise things? I'll communicate the dates once I'm sure that now we're good.
And when we did the interview and everyone like mwakola interview mchala yatugamba bunye fumbe tu.
I know. I shouldn't have said anything. Tola.
It's been a while. Okay. Juliana, film industry right now, we get a mass of
Maybe chi.
we have the woman, we have the federation. Committee. This place, this place. What happened?
No, obuzibu obwaliwo schedule yange yali tekwatagana na mirimu. Ate positions ezimu bw'oba ng'ogenda zitwala, you need to be sure nti ojja kubeerawo to serve. Okiraba kati ate nze nali nina byenkwasaganya bingi. So ne ngamba nti ekifo kyange mukiwa omuntu, and we can always stay in the sidelines, and observe and advise where necessary.
Does it mean living a position that was also like giving a call?
No, they did. We actually tried. Twasooka ntukigezaako. Naye after some time nendabanga obudde bunnemesezza okwasaganya. Yeah, so ne ngamba kambeere wa mazima. Nsokendeko omuntu ali available asobola okukikola, asobola okubeerawo all the time. Kuba meetings zibeerayo nnyingi. Yeah.
Oba is it cause abantu abasinga you okuvaamu n'ogaba mu kiki ebimu ku bantu like the public olaba gundi yabeesambye like it's
ebyokwesamba sibimanyi.
No, like the public kiraba it's kind of created crisis in public abagamba olaba nawe wabeesambye.
No, nze kyali kya budde nga sibulina bulungi.
How do you see the federation right now with propaganda with mass?
Ndudde okugendayo naye nze okusinziira ku ndaba progress, ndaba bakola, honestly ndaba bakola. Nze ndowooza tubawe chance. Okitegeera nze mbadde ndudde okulaba okujjako uma mbadde ndudde okulaba abayimbi nga beegasse over time ne babeerawo ne bawangaala nga bakyali awo. Because usually we're very, very jumpy people. Tubeera wano tuvaawo ntudde wali tetutereera, So it's impressive okubalaba nga bagezaako okulaba nga balina kye bakola. So nze ndowooza let's give them a chance to do kye basobola okukola. Engeri gye mbadde sigoberera nnyo clash ezo saagala zikomentingako.
We have a growth mu bakyala. Recently we had a battle ya Cindy ne Sheebah. How did you see it?
It was interesting to watch. Asaliyo, but it was interesting to watch. I love both of them, bakwano bange, and omanyi kati buli omu alina engeri gy'alabamu ebintu. I like the idea of, you see what that battle did, especially for Cindy, is it reminded people of her talent, her greatness, you know. But in the same spirit, during the campaign, the trolls ku social media baali bangi, okitegeera. And because they are women, I kind of felt for them. I don't know how they handle that, because it's a lot of pressure. But again, bantu bakulu, okitegeera, weesalirawo ky'oyagala. So bato, I'm sure bagiyingira, bamanye ebigenda okujja. But musically, it was interesting to watch. Any competition is always fun to watch, right? On asinga ono chino. But all in all, I see two strong women, you know, who are doing great for themselves.
From the artistic point of view, how did you see this battle? Was it healthy? Was it helping the industry?
It does, minus the exchanges that were going on. Yeah. Kasita twagenda mbigamba, I'm not sure what we're, you know, sending to the younger artists. However, it's a battle, right? So you expect nti buli mwagenda kujjayo buli kyalina, oba oli wa bigambo ng'abijjayo, oba oli wa style ng'agijjayo, oba oli wa mavuko ng'agajjayo. Yeah, so there's many ways to look at it. But at the end of the day, it's a business, and people went back home with their accounts smiling, and there's nothing better than that.
As this one was going on, memes started coming out.
Memes,
bringing suggestions into Juliana and Irene.
Well, that's not my cup of tea. Because in my view, a battle means there's something you still have to prove. And I don't think nze ne Irene tulina kye tulina okuba provingira, buli omu ayimba, buli omu wakabi. Why don't we just celebrate each other? Why does it always have to be battle? But like I said, buli omu ayina ekimukolera. Okitegeera.
That's where the question comes in. If it's not a battle, if it's not a battle, now we have to celebrate the two of you.
Celebration is always a good thing. Yeah, celebration is always a good thing. And there's so many ways we can celebrate music and musicians without the negative vibes that we add to it. Katinze, my issue is where people start to insult. Wakati ekibaawo bafani beyawula. Omwali eno, bafani ono bayuza ono, bano bayuza oli. Kati, personally I find that toxic. Okitegeera. Nenga, if it's about celebration of music, a night of celebration of music, and we're celebrating Ugandan divas, oh my God, I'd love to be a part of that. Yeah, but and Irene and other women, okitegeera. Hey.
You're saying this because you've been united before.
Because we've been what?
Like we've been singing together. Okay, singing together. What about staging a show?
Nga tuli fembi. Yeah, why not? I mean, wechiba tukikoze bulungi and tukiproducinga bulungi. Yeah.
Yes, wadde ogedde ku kya battle, naye waliwo era battle egenda okuba maaso awo y'abasajja. Ensajja enwaŋŋuli Bebe Cool ne Chameleone. Tulowooze nti gufuuse mugano. Emabega twalina Queen Sheebah ne Cindy. This time round tugenda funa Chameleone ne Bebe Cool. Tugambe nti kati gufuuse mugano.
Simanyi, I don't know. Nange ndaba bulabi mu mawulire nga, you know, ate mbuwalire ekintu ekyali kijja. So I don't know. Maybe people are jumping on it because it's a money maker. If you think about it from the business side, it is a money maker. So if you're looking to make money, yes, abantu bakyagadde, bo kyabakoledde. Yeah, so if the guys want to do it, ani abagaana. Yeah.
naye naawe otubuzeeko nnyo
kambuzeeyo kimu mukyalo Juliana abantu bagamba nti gwomu ku bakyala abasinga wano okuyimba abalina eddoboozi eddungi twagala otwawuli wakati wa talent n'omuntu gwe bayita survive yeeyiye obweyiya nga mu industry wakabi naye nga yeeyiya.
Tubireke, mujja kundeetera ebizibu buli omu alina ekintu kye. Kati kambabuulire, in entertainment waliwo kye bayita X factor, and X factor can be anything, not necessarily a voice. Naye ng'omuntu bw'ajja alina ekintu tokitegeera, you can't even describe it with words, naye nga they just okitegeera. Kati some people have that, and it doesn't make them less valuable than the other one because the other one has a better voice or a singing voice. Buli omu abeera alina kyaleeta on the table, buli omu abeera ne vibe ye endala, which is why in a way ekintu kya battle sometimes nze kinzibuwalira okutegeera, because on what base are you using to say nti ono asinga ono? Do you get? Ng'oggyeko kale talent, what base? Because oli ajja kujja ku stage and maybe they have when they dance they're amazing, okiraba oli najja ku stage nga bw'ayimba wakabi nnyo. So but like I said, it's a business, it's entertainment, it's a business. Vinyuma ngenda nga munyumirwa, that's it.
Nga tuwunzika osuubira nti music industry ekuze?
Music industry ekuze naye kyetaaga okulamu. I still feel, and this is for all of us abayimbi ffenna, I feel like tetunaba making a new mark ku continent, you know, and I don't know what the problem is. There can be many things combined, but for me it would be my dream. It may not even be me, but I'd love to see at least like 5 Ugandans nga bali ku African charts at the same time, you know.
With making 61 years independence, you've mentioned this and it came in my mind. If you look at South Africans penetrating the agenda to the world, Nigeria are producing many ogenderi mugoloza fe bwawe tukyalakinga muko as Ugandan artists odafa okugenga deep the other side bano gye bagenda kuba obutunulira bali every month wabera wakuba ebyo bisaawe ebinene
many things naye Botunia just systems zaabwe zitambula. They were set up many years ago, like Botunia South Africa, the time of the Yvonne Chaka Chakas, fenga tukyali bwana buto, bali mu industry ngeri organized. Together they have record labels, they get signed, and then they have proper management, and then they have music wabwe ngari, you know, there's weba mutundira ngulabawo, you know. Of course the world was social media, so nga CDs bwezifuluma oba tapes oba ki nga amaduuka weegali, and professionalism in the industry itself, until you find that a producer actually went to school and studied it, you know, nga yasoma music. You know, there's a difference between being talented and actually going and studying music. There's people I've interacted with on the continent. Some of them are producers, some of them are songwriters. I think their understanding of music is so wide. For our case, success here is mostly based on talent alone. So we have to expose ourselves, and we have to learn to work with other people. I'm comfortable in Uganda because I think it was like a blessing in disguise for Ugandans, but supporting you. By the way, that's one thing we need to be proud of. Kubanga other African countries, never wano kumpi Kenya. But artists were struggling okola sent. I don't know bachichi. They don't make money the way we do. So because I think we became comfortable. You know? Not feeling maybe we don't need to be more aggressive, more ambitious. When there was, I think we became comfortable. So bw'otunuulira bali abantu, they go all out, they take all chances, and they're aggressive. Abanigeria bali aggressive. They will sell their music and push it. If it means flying to the US and, no swama DJ Khaled, or more $500,000 to just feature. I mean, they will do all that stuff. So I think fetulia a bit relaxed one. So. Happy Independence, Ugandans. Work hard. Njagala nnyo okukubiriza abantu banaye mukole, mwezimbe, mukolere abaana bammwe, abasajja mulabirire abaana. Mulabirire abaana kuba ebintu byendaba ku mawulire si birungi. Abayimbi lwaki mubeesibako nnyo? Beboka. Yeah, but that does not mean they are the majority. Saka kwogera mannya naye just mwerabirire, love each other. Social media sometimes kubeerako so much toxicity, abantu kwevuma biki. Bannange, let's spread love, tweyagale nga Uganda.